And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain, my friends, and welcome to a special edition of The Morning Muse. My name's James, and as the song says, it's getting near the end of what I've been doing for over 25 years, that being a full-time professional street performing magician. And as I have no pension, which by the way I don't believe in as a concept, I do rely on any skills and lessons I've learned over 25 years to move forward and enjoy my retirement. So to that end, I've created, along with AI, an interesting read all about the Royal Mile. It's called The Cobbled Mile, with over 30,000 words, 150 images and over 200 pages with a free illustrative map. It's something that could truly benefit anyone coming to Edinburgh or not, whether as a tourist or moreover as a busker. So before you scroll away, I'm not trying to sell you our book, but to ask you if you'd like to become an affiliate and help sell The Cobbled Mile. You see, this wee video is all about asking you to come on board and help get it into the hands of others who could benefit from it. It's free, no obligation, and you could earn 50% commissions across the board on the main purchase and the upsell. But if you have no interest in, earning money, but know of others who may, please share this video so that they may benefit. So, thing is, some may say it's pyramid selling or MLM, but it's not. It's straight up affiliate marketing, which benefits those who take the time to grab a unique link, use the tools we have, copy and paste and post online, and earn commissions from every and any sale made. Anyway, thanks for taking 2 minutes to listen, and hope to see you over at the page linked below. Oh, and please share this video. Take care. Look forward to seeing you on the site. Bye for now.